Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable semiya upma or vermicelli upma. So let's get started. Firstly, heat a pan and add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add in 1 cup of vermicelli and roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes till it turns slightly golden in color. It's done, keep this aside. Next, here I have taken around 5 cups of water and the water is medium hot. Add in the roasted semiya and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until it is completely cooked. The semiya is perfectly cooked. Now drain water and keep aside. Next, heat a pan and add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add in half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon CHANA DAL, 1 teaspoon of URAD DAL and 1 sprig of curry leaves and fry them for few seconds. Next, add in around 4 green chillies slit, 1 medium size onion finely chopped, half tablespoon of ginger finely chopped and fry them for about 2 minutes till the onions turns translucent and the raw flavor of the ginger goes away. Now add in the vegetables, 2 tablespoons of carrot, 2 tablespoons of beans, 2 tablespoons of fresh peas, 2 tablespoons of capsicum, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Mix everything well. Cover the lid and cook for about 3 minutes on low flame till the vegetables are completely cooked. It's been 3 minutes. Now add in the cooked semiya, around 8 to 10 roasted cashew nuts and 1 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice. Now turn off the flame and mix everything gently. Finally, garnish with some coriander leaves and serve it hot. Our vermicelli upma or vegetable semiya upma is done and ready. Enjoy it with some chutney by the side. If you like this video, hit the like button below and for more videos, please subscribe KBK Kitchen. Thank you.